Okay guys, so andito tayo sa China ngayon. So susubukan nating mag-withdraw using our GCash card, GCash Visa card. So susubukan natin kung paano ba mag-withdraw using the GCash Visa card. Okay? So eto, titignan natin. So ito yung ating Visa card. So susubukan nating mag-withdraw dito sa ating Visa card. So ipapasok natin. Ito, nakapasok na. So nakalagay dito Chinese, pero meron siyang English translation. So pipindutin natin yung English, and then pindutin ulit natin ito.
Please get your card.
Okay, so namali. Okay, so ipasok ulit natin. Ayan, pinasok na natin yung ating card. And then, merong English translation. Okay, so English ulit. So, ipapasok na natin yung ating PIN. Okay. So, meron nakalagay dito credit, check, default, saka savings. Pindutin natin yung
Please select
savings.
transaction type.
Tapos, withdrawal.
Please select the withdraw amount.
And then, 100, 500, 1,000, 2,500, 3,000. So, mag-withdraw tayo ng 100. Okay. Ayan. So, processing. Please wait. So, nakikita natin dito, mag-open na yan, mag-open. Lalabas na yung pera. Ayan. Okay.
Please
Lumabas
take your
na.
cash.
Then, kukunin na natin. Ito. So, 100 yuan. Tapos, return card na tayo. Yun. Return card.
Alert. Please take
Ayan.
care of your cash.
Okay, so kukunin na
Be
natin
alert
yung
always.
ating
Thank you for
Visa
banking
card.
with us.
Okay. So, may receipt na lalabas dito. So, hintayin na lang natin yung receipt na lalabas. Okay. So, ayun. So, lumabas na yung receipt. Okay, so ito na. Lumabas na rito yung bank receipt. So nakalagay dito 100 Chinese yuan, and then 26/04/13. Ito yung date kung kailan tayo nag-withdraw, and then yung oras 13:06 or 1:06 p.m. Okay? So, ito, naka-withdraw na tayo. Okay. So, madali pa lang mag-withdraw dito ng ano, using yung Visa card ng GCash. Oo. Ayan. Akala ko mahirap. Ang dali. Yung nga lang kasi meron siyang translation. Okay. Okay, so okay na tayo. Ayan. So, itong ATM machine, ito yung Bank of China. Ayan. Ito yung Bank of China kung saan tayo naka-withdraw. Okay guys.